The life of an astronaut in the vast expanse of space. It is a voyage that stretches the boundaries of human capability and has the power to transform our understanding of our place in the universe. Imagine being encased in a metal cocoon, hurtling through the void at thousands of miles per hour. The life of an astronaut is one of both breathtaking wonder and unparalleled challenges. From the moment they lift off the Earth's surface, these intrepid explorers embark on a mission that demands rigorous training, unwavering dedication, and an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. Space, with its infinite mysteries, beckons humanity to unravel its secrets. Astronauts become pioneers, extending the reach of our species beyond the confines of our home planet. They undertake months-long missions on the International Space Station, where they conduct groundbreaking experiments in fields ranging from biology and physics to astronomy and climate science. They navigate complex spacewalks, tending to the machinery that keeps our cosmic outpost alive. Yet, amidst the awe-inspiring vistas of our planet seen from orbit, the astronaut's life is also one of isolation and confinement. The vastness of space can be overwhelming, and the separation from loved ones and the familiar embrace of Earth can take a toll on their mental and emotional well-being. But it's in overcoming these challenges that astronauts showcase the resilience of the human spirit. In microgravity, daily routines acquire a new dimension. Simple tasks like eating, sleeping, and personal hygiene necessitate inventive adaptations. Weightlessness creates an environment where liquids float and objects behave in unexpected ways. It's a place where a floating drop of water becomes a mesmerizing dance and a single push can send you gliding through the spacecraft. This unfamiliarity fosters a sense of camaraderie among crew members as they navigate this uncharted territory together. The astronaut's life, while extraordinary, is not without risk. The vastness of space also harbors potential dangers, from micrometeoroids capable of piercing spacecraft hulls to the hazards posed by the harsh vacuum outside. Astronauts willingly confront these perils because they understand the significance of their mission. They venture into the unknown to push the boundaries of human knowledge, to find answers to questions we haven't even formulated yet. As we gaze upward into the night sky, it's important to acknowledge the role of space agencies like NASA and the international collaborations that make space exploration possible. These organizations invest in cutting-edge technology, research, and training to ensure that astronauts are equipped with the skills they need to thrive in the unforgiving environment beyond our atmosphere. In conclusion, the life of an astronaut is a symphony of exploration, science, courage, and sacrifice. Their journey embodies the very essence of human curiosity and the unyielding pursuit of knowledge. Through their endeavors, they inspire us to dream bigger, to reach farther, and to keep pushing the boundaries of our understanding. As we continue to marvel at the achievements of those who venture into the cosmos, let us remember that their work benefits us all. The lessons learned from space exploration extend beyond the stars. They teach us about our planet, our existence, and the infinite possibilities that lie ahead.